How to play retro games on your iPhone. First, you need to download the Emulator app. Go to the App Store. Search Retroarch. Download this app. As you can see, I have already downloaded the app. After download, open the app. Now tap on the load content. Now you have to load games in here. Those game files are called ROM files. Just Google it and figure it out how to get those files. Save the ROM file for a game you own in iPhone. After that, tap on Open option. It will take you to the file directory. Then select your ROM file by tapping on it. Now you should see the game being displayed on the app. Simply tap on it to launch the game. And that's how you can play retro games on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.